Today, I'm going to show you 3 of the hottest and most highly anticipated NFT projects that are launching really soon. Starting off with Memeland by 9gag. Now, if you come over here to their Twitter, you're going to see that Memeland already has 126,000 followers on Twitter, which is massive, and any NFT project that can generate this kind of following is doing pretty good. And when you head over to their website, you're going to be presented with this, which is this pixelated land that is Memeland. And Memeland is the first NFT collection by 9gag. And if you're not aware of what 9gag is, 9gag is basically a meme platform. They have over 200 million users across all their platforms, and if you come onto their website, you can see that it's basically just meme central. You come over here to see some funny videos, to laugh, to have a good time, and that's 9gag. If you've never used it, go give it a try. And Memeland is a collection of 9,999 utility-enabled profile pictures. Each Memeland profile picture, also known as a captain, is gonna unlock private club membership, exclusive access to creator NFT marketplaces, in real-life events, upcoming 9gag drops and projects, and more. And for them, memes are really everyday life, and they're gonna have a new token, a new cryptocurrency called Meme Token. And every captain, every NFT is gonna yield meme every day for years. And you'll be able to earn meme coin either passively through holding and staking, or actively by playing and creating content. Now, as far as the roadmap, they don't really have one, which you probably already know. I'm not a big fan of NFT projects not having a roadmap. And they say on their website, there is no road at sea and there is no roadmap, but there is a North Star or mission. Memeland's mission is to empower creators by connecting Web 2 and Web 3 communities. Now, I don't like it when NFT projects, especially brand new projects, don't have any roadmaps. I think established creators can get away without having a roadmap because they already have that track record. But new projects with new creators just coming into the NFT space, I really think need to have a strong roadmap. Not to say that roadmaps even hold water, because sometimes projects have great roadmaps and then you get rug pulled. So a roadmap doesn't mean that the project is going to do great, but it does add a bit of an assurance that you know what you can expect. But this Memeland by 9gag is a bit different because while they don't have much of a history with NFTs, they do have a lot of history and a good track record building hype and demand around their website, 9gag. Now, when we come down a bit, you're going to see some advisors and investors and some pretty big names as well, like Gary V with VeeFriends. You're also going to see some people from the CyberKongz team, and then others from Hypebeast, others from Proof and Moonbirds. You're going to see some people from the Premint team, and also some more people from Kaiju Kings, and also Tim Ferriss. So they definitely are really stacked when it comes to the investors and advisor side of things, but do be aware as well that we don't know what capacity or how much of an advisor and investor these people are. For all we know, in order to be an advisor for this team, maybe they sent Gary V a quick DM and Gary V liked it or something like that. We don't really know to what degree these people are advising or investing in this project. And as far as the official release date, the reveal, the price, and everything like that, we don't have really any of that information. If you come down to the frequently asked questions sections, you're just gonna see that they're not really answering these questions. So you're gonna have to wait for more information about this project by staying up to date on Twitter, getting into their Discord when they launch it, and that way you'll have all the information you need about this project as soon as it comes out. Let me know down below in the comments what you think about this project. And also, none of these projects are sponsoring this video. I have no affiliation with them whatsoever. I'm just making this video because these projects are getting a lot of attention on NFT Twitter. Now, the second project that we're gonna mention is really huge on Twitter at almost 300,000 followers. And that's gonna be Mindblown Universe, which you may have heard of because they're getting a lot of attention and there's a lot of hype around this project. And this project is actually launching really soon. You can see that it's actually launching on May 6th with a fair Dutch auction on Friday at 2 p.m. UTC time. And then on May 7th is gonna be the private sale. And then on May 8th, if there are any left over, there's gonna be a public sale. So from the time that this video is going live, in just a couple of days, these NFTs are gonna be released. But if you are one of the people that haven't really heard about this project, here's what you can expect and here's what to know about this project. Mindblown is created by this guy right here on Twitter, Lick, who also has 117,000 followers, and he's been on Twitter for quite a long time, since about July of 2011. And this project is really gonna be based upon this comic style art. And as you're doing your research, you're gonna find out that in 2015, Lick Palik started to draw comic strips based on his everyday life. And he called these Talia Alat, I think I pronounced that correctly, and that's Indonesian for skin mole, as a mark or identity based on a skin mole on his own face. He was also published by a South Korean comic publisher, and Talia Alat published more than 653 chapters with 37.3 million likes, making it the top comedy content on that platform. And this is something really good to see. If someone doesn't have a track record creating NFT projects, it's really good to see that they do have a track record creating success in some other field that they're now translating into NFT land. For example, Gary Vee, you know I'm a big fan of Gary, he had a lot of success in the business world before he created VeeFriends. And that just gave him a lot more street credit when it came to creating his first NFT project because he had a proven track record in business world. And this guy Lik Palik, while he's never created an NFT project before, he has created a lot of success with his comic strips, and he's now just taking that and moving it over to NFTs. And you can really see from his social media followings that he does have quite the audience. Over on Instagram, for example, he has about 4.8 million followers, which is a massive account. He also has almost 300,000 on YouTube, over 1 million on TikTok, a bunch more on Twitter and Facebook, and a whole lot more. So I would encourage you to come onto this website if you're interested in this project and read everything. There's quite a bit. As you can just see from scrolling down, there's a lot of information that you can read about his comic strips and also the history of Indonesian comic. You can go to his website, check out all of his social media platforms, and that way you can get a really good feel of whether or not you want to invest in him as the creator for this project. Because one thing I really believe with NFT projects is you're not just investing in the art, you're actually investing in the creator behind the art, because the art in and of itself isn't going to do anything. That art will only really have value if the creator behind it can create some value within that art. And so the creator behind the NFT project that you're choosing to buy is extremely important. So do as much due diligence and as much research as you can. And it's not just Lik doing this all on his own either. He also has this massive team, which you can see of about 14 or so people creating this project with him. He has people like an advisor. He has other people that are project leads like Dikata, and I hope I'm saying these names right. I'm probably not, so sorry for that. So this is for sure a massive project. Let me know what you think about it down below in the comments. And also remember to check out these dates if you are interested, May 6th through 7th, May 7th, and May 8th to get into this project on the initial and public and pre-sale. So this next project, I may also butcher the pronunciation. It's called Kahiru or Kahiru. I'm not exactly sure. Again, let me know in the comments. And this project, as you're gonna see, is gonna have some really high quality art. Now, this image itself isn't super high quality, but that's just because it's uploaded on Twitter, so you can see a lot of pixelation. But the art itself, actually, when it's not on Twitter, is really high quality and has a lot of detail. You can see, for example, in this image that it's just really high resolution. It's really unique and it's very realistic. And this project is also launching very soon. It's going to be launching on May 4th at 0.12 Ethereum each for the pre-sale or 0.14 Ethereum each for the public sale. There's going to be 7,222 of these NFTs. There's going to be 4,000 common, 500 neutral, 2,000 raffle, and 222 in the treasury. And these common passes are gonna allow you to mint 1 NFT per wallet, and these neutral passes are gonna allow you to mint up to 2 NFTs per wallet. And then these raffle spots are additional wallets that are gonna be picked, and they're gonna be able to mint 1 NFT. And to get in on this project early, you're gonna need to be a part of the whitelist, which is gonna get you that 0.12 Ethereum mint slot, starting on May 4th at 6 p.m. CET time. And then the raffle will be open after, and you're gonna have 5 days to register. And this is one of those projects that has developed quite the backstory for their NFTs. You're gonna see when you come over to the lore section, you're gonna see all kinds of information about Ash and Soulbound and Voidwalkers and Vipers and all of these different things. So definitely come read through all of this if you're interested in this project. It's some really interesting stuff and gets you a good idea of what to expect with this project, what the storyline behind this project is, and what you can expect a bit going forward. And then after you're done taking a look through that, you can come over here to the roadmap. You can go to District 1, District 2, or District 3. Really high quality website here. District 1, you're gonna see a bunch more information as well. So first up, you're gonna have the faction picker. Basically, everyone's gonna get to know each other. You're gonna have the heroes of Rui, and you're gonna have reveal day as well, when they're actually revealing the art for this project. And then the next step in District 1 is Rui's vault. And so you're gonna see a lot of information as they break down the roadmap. When you go back over here to District 2, you can see some more info about what the steps are after that, like the Citizen's Merit, the Stash, and the First Prophecy. Definitely Apparently this is much more of a sci-fi project with a sci-fi type of vibe. And so if you're really interested in that kind of world, this may be the perfect project for you. And then you can also get some information about the team members and what their background is. Like here you have Eitzol, here you have Hode, you have Della Torre, Javi, and then lastly, Jasu. So that's it for these projects. Let me know down below which one you're most interested in. Are you gonna mint any of these projects? Make sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.